Hello, my name is Jenna Beck, and I'm running for Assembly District Delegate and Executive Board for the Democratic Party, representing Assembly District 73. The election will be held at Newhart Middle School in Mission Viejo, California, on January 26, 2019, at 10 a.m. It has never been more important to have independent voices representing our community. This election will determine who holds the California Democratic Party accountable. It will affect all of us. This is an uphill battle because our newly elected officials and other groups are trying to sweep these delegate positions with hand-picked allies who will represent their interests, not yours. They are attempting to control the endorsement process and the party leadership positions. Additionally, an alternate member of the Democratic Party of Orange County Central Committee, who is already virtually guaranteed a delegate spot through the county party, has organized a slate for which she is running for delegate and executive board. She is attempting to squeeze out grassroots neighborhood candidates by double dipping. I am not beholden to any politician or group. I'm running independently without a pre-organized slate, without any vote in any Democratic Party organization. I'm running to represent you. My focus will be specifically on party reform, such as reforming the pre-endorsing conferences by substituting in ranked choice voting to replace the current single ballot, even if there are 3 or more candidates for a given office, and by lowering the vote percentage needed for the party to endorse a candidate from the current 70% to 60%. This will help facilitate early endorsements by grassroots organizers and local Democratic clubs, rather than by the party elites doling out the endorsements at the California Democratic Party conventions. Think about that for a moment. The endorsements currently are not about who will best serve our district, but instead about who will best serve the party elite. I will work with my colleagues to propose changes to the state party bylaws to prevent voting and alternate voting members of county parties from running to take away ADEM seats from grassroots candidates. I will work with my colleagues to propose changes to the state party bylaws to prevent elected officials who already are awarded appointed delegates from preordaining a slate of candidates, either directly or indirectly through their staffers. I will work with my colleagues to propose a change to the state party bylaws to prevent elected officials' staffers from running for ADEM seats. I will join caucuses to advocate for reform, such as the Business Caucus, to ensure small businesses can thrive and that large corporations are not favored with corporate welfare. I will lobby on your behalf to get anonymous donations out of the Democratic Party and out of our political system by supporting the California Clean Money Campaign and its Disclose Act, which will make public the original source of campaign contributions and independent expenditures aligned with candidates. This work is important because your voice matters. However, I cannot do this without your support. Because I'm an independent voice and not aligning with a specific politician or group, I will need to have the largest get out the vote effort. I will need everyone I know, regardless of party affiliation, to come and vote for me. Specifically, I will need you to strategically vote only for me and any other independent candidates who I may endorse, after vetting to ensure that they too are not backed by a politician, group, or special interest. If you are not registered as a Democrat currently, I ask that you register as a Democrat at the event so that you can vote for me. Or you can visit ocvote.org online and register today if you have a signature on file with the DMV. And I hope that you stay registered as a Democrat to help me continue holding the party and its politicians accountable. Please share this video and please RSVP to confirm that you will vote for me by signing up to the event page linked in the description of this video. Please join me to reform the Democratic Party. Thank you so much in advance. Now let's go win this.